Hello everyone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a slow motion effect in Unity engine. Simply we have this scene. I have a character that have a running animation and two cubes that have rigid bodies. Simple as that. What we want to do is when we press a specific key, we want to make a slow motion. We will be starting off by making a new script. I'll be calling it slow motion. We will need to declare two variables. Simply what we have here, we have two variables. One we're going to make to slow down our time, and the second will be slowing down by this count of seconds. Now we will need to make a function to actually slow down. And what we're going to do here is that we're going to modify our time scale variable in Unity. Now let me explain what is timescale. Timescale simply controls the time passes in our game. For example, if timescale equal 1, which is the default, that means that the game will run 1 second equals to 1 second in real life. But if the timescale equals 0.5, that means that the game will be running twice slower, meaning 1 second in the game equals 2 seconds in real life, and you can increase or decrease the time scale. And if 0, that means that the game will freeze because there is no time is passing in our game. We want when we press a key to activate and call our function. Simply that's all what we need. To test this out, I'm going to attach our slow motion script to a game object, which will be our camera, and we're going to make a test. As you can see, our slow motion effect has done, but there is something wrong. Our cube seems to be lagging, unlike our character which running smoothly. And let me explain why this happened. This happened because we did not modify the time.fixed delta time. Now, simply in our game, we need to calculate physics. And as we said, both of our cubes that we're testing have rigid body, meaning they are under the control of the physics. And for physics calculation, Unity uses fixed update to do these calculations, not in the normal update method. And fixed delta time simply controlled how much the fixed update should be done between our frames. So we need to modify our fixed delta time in order for our physics to run smoothly, same as our character. Simple as that. This is what we need to do. Now we need to test this out. Yep, as you can see now our cube's running smoothly, same as our character. Our game still in the slow motion effect. So in order to stop our slow motion effect smoothly, instead of instantly getting back everything to the default, we're going to go to our update. Simply what we did here, we need to get back the time scale to 1. Since we did the slow motion effect, we slowed down the time. Now we want to get it back to the default, which is 1. So we're increasing it by frame, and just to make sure that the time does not exceed 1, we use the math.clamp and set the maximum amount to 1, so we make sure that it doesn't exceed 1. Let's test this out. As you can see, we get into the slow motion effect and we get back to the time very smoothly without having any instance or any kind of lag in our game. And we can control that by like setting the time into 2. Yep, as you can see, our slow motion effect worked perfectly, and it is really that simple to add a slow motion effect to your game. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and would like to see you next time.